it's Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I have picked out some really cute and Pinteresty tops, t-shirts, oversized t-shirts, shirts that I really want to share with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I want to talk about is this oversized t-shirt from Soul Store. Majority of the tops are from Soul Store. मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है उनके quality and they're really coming up some really good designs. I am loving, especially this oversized t-shirt. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the color scheme? Love this beautiful pink and yellow ka contrast theme going on, and this is basically Winnie the Pooh वाला design है. यहाँ पर पीछे ये ऐसा design है, and honestly I love the front, this checks pattern going on and the color combination going on. Love this is like a supreme premium gorge fabric. इतना अच्छा fabric है ये. This is definitely again one of the best fabrics that I have tried from Soul Store, and I have picked it up in the size small. Majority of the times, especially oversized t-shirt मैं medium में लेती हूँ, but for some reason I feel like in this fabric, this premium gorge fabric, मीडियम मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ओवरसाइज लगता है, तो आई हैव पिक्ड इट अप इन साइज स्मॉल एंड दिस फिट्स मी परफेक्टली. दिस इज हाउ द स्लीव्स लुक लाइक. यहाँ पर भी एक ऐसे बैज डिटेलिंग यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है विच हैज़ आइसक्रीम इन इट, एंड इट हैज़ few badge detailing at the bottom as well right over here. And yeah, front में this is how it's looking and this is how it looks in the back. इस पे Winnie लिखा हुआ है with 66 and Winnie the Pooh cartoon over here. This is how it all looks. Absolutely love it. Definitely gonna keep it. If you're interested in getting something like this, definitely get it, especially from Soul Store, because इसका quality is ये jersey material है, तो इसका quality इतना अच्छा quality मैंने कहीं पर भी नहीं देखा है. Love this one, a 10 out of 10. The next top I want to talk about is this one, जो मैंने अभी पहना हुआ भी है. I have two of these because sizing issue हुआ था. I first picked it up in size large. This is a ribbed crop top kinda, but large ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा था मुझ पे. And जो भी मैंने ribbed tops try किए हैं Soul Store के, after washing it kind of fits a little bit more snug than before. इसके लिए मैंने size up किया था, but in this it runs a little bit loose. So I would suggest if you are a size medium, go for size medium only. Do not size up in this, because ये normal से ना थोड़ा loose ही fit होता है. So yeah, I definitely do need to return this back and I'm gonna keep the medium size that I'm wearing right now. आप clearly देख सकते हो try on part में it's fitting perfectly and it's not super tight. So medium will fit you perfectly if you're a size medium, and it's a little bit on the loose side only, which I like. If I am overeating or if I'm just bloated, it's not gonna look like I'm pregnant. So I appreciate that. And as I said, it is a crop top, but अगर आप देखोगे ये इतना ज़्यादा cropped नहीं है, which is like perfect, especially if you are a D cup and above. Sometimes just the super crop tops are way too cropped and your bra shows. So this one is perfect. It hits right where the jeans start. So if you're not comfortable with extremely cropped crop tops, this is the perfect length crop top. Love the length of this, love the way it fits. And can we talk about this acid wash that's going on over here? I don't have anything like this. I love it. It's gray, it's पे unapologetic लिखा हुआ है, which I am. And I love like the discoloration, the acid, somewhere it's a little darker, so it's not like plain gray, it has a little bit of texture in it. I love ribbed material top, crop top, anything, bring it on. Absolutely love it. So this is again a really good top. I'm definitely gonna keep this a 10 out of 10 again. Like if you're interested in this top, just get it, it's so good. The next top I have for you guys is this oversized t-shirt, again from Soul Store. I picked it up in size medium, and अगर आप print देखोगे इस पे इसरो का किया हुआ है. I absolutely love the print that's going on over here. Definitely need to represent Indian space, and ये back में कुछ भी नहीं है, and I love that the whole print that's going on is in the front, but usually अगर आप देखोगे oversize में front is quite blank and plain and पीछे सारा print हुआ होता है, and I don't get the point. Like when I'm clicking a photo, I want the print on the front. So I appreciate this, and this was out of stock for a really long time, and finally जैसे ये थोड़ा stock में आ गया, I picked it up. ये काफ़ी time से मेरे wish list में था, and I'm so happy I picked it up. Again, the material in this is not similar to the first oversized one. उसका वो premium gauze fabric है, and I wish कि इसका भी वैसा होता. ये थोड़ा पतला है, it's very comfortable, perfect in the summer season. It's not super heavy. I just wanted to point that out. Very comfortable, very soft. I'm definitely gonna keep it because I really like the print that's going on over here. This is print, but ये जो blue वाला है, this is like thread work going on over here. This is a badge. There's few like thread work, a little bit of print, so a mixture of texture, I would say. And this is how the neckline looks like. Love it. Iska sleeve bhi hits me perfect where it's supposed to, and there's a little bit of color block going on at the bottom as well. Very comfortable. I love the fit on me. I picked it up in size medium and it fits me perfectly. Love the way it looks. 10 out of 10. Again, I'm gonna keep this. इस आज के हॉल में मैंने जितने भी चीज़ें ली है ना, सारी चीज़ें मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आ रही है. Again, this is like a perfect. The only point I'll cut is if इसका भी मटेरियल वो प्रीमियम हैवी गॉश फैब्रिक होता ना, which I'm absolutely loving by Soul Store. Honestly, I really like this one as well. So yeah. Next, I picked up another ribbed t-shirt from them. अगर आप देखोगे काफ़ी plain है, and I really wanted some plain t-shirts to wear under like a nice oversized baggy pants or jeans. काफ़ी प्यारा लगता है, like something snug fit on top and then a baggy pant at the bottom. That was the whole plan, and it's in a beautiful red cherry color, especially with the fall season and winter coming up. I think this is like the perfect color for the further season. And इसमें अगर आप देखोगे तो it fits nicely at the top, and then there is this detailing, and then it fits nice and snug at the bottom as well. The only problem I have with this is the color. अगर आप देखोगे, I don't know, it's not showing up well in the camera, but in person it looks a little bit dull. I just wish it had that beautiful burgundy fall color, but थोड़ा washed out लग रहा है. अगर अभी से इतना washed out लग रहा है, तो जब मैं wash करूँगी तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है और भी ज़्यादा washed out लगेगा. But other than that, it's a beautiful color and beautiful fabric. ये ribbed fabric है, by the way, which I, again, as I said, absolutely love. The only thing is color. The color, if ये थोड़ा और vibrant होता, बहुत प्यारा लगता. And this is how it looks in the back. It's a plain ribbed t-shirt. I love the length of this. Love the way the sleeves fit as well. This is how it looks on me. I would give it a 8 on 10. Next, I picked this bralette from Soul Store. I really wanted to try them out, and Soul Store में ना इसमें बहुत सारे color options available है. I just wanted to try a basic white color first, and इसमें भी मैंने 2 order किए हैं. I first picked it up in size large, and ये इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा हो रहा था. Another drawback of this thing is ये आप return नहीं कर सकते हो. So definitely order one first and see if that size fits you, and then order other colors if you want. That's exactly what I did. Large लिया मैंने, और ये मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा loose लग रहा था. According to size chart I went, but still it was a little bit loose. So I picked it up again in size medium, and that fits me perfectly. Talking about the quality and material of this product, अगर आप देख सकते हो ये भी ribbed material है, काफ़ी stretchable है. So even if you size down, it will fit you perfectly, and it is a double line on the inside, तो ये बिल्कुल भी see through नहीं है. If you want, you can wear a nude bra underneath. It will not show through. But अगर आप colorful, obviously if you wear something colorful inside, it will show through. And if you don't want to wear anything, just wear some nipple pasties and you will be good to go. It's a bralette at the end of the day, and I'm definitely gonna, you can wear it exactly like this. It's literally like a crop top, or you can wear it with an oversized shirt. That will also look really, really pretty. And I love that they have given like a nice band over here that fits perfectly. तो इसका fitting काफ़ी अच्छा है. I picked it up in size medium, and वो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे से fit हो रहा है. So if you're similar, you can refer to that size chart. I would say size down in this. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It comes in so many different colors. I'm definitely gonna pick up few more, and I would give it a 10 out of 10. Actually, it's really good, and I've been wanting to find something like this for a really long time, and I finally got it. So yay. Next up, I have something similar to what I'm wearing right now. It's literally the same exact thing, but इस पे ये unapologetic नहीं लिखा हुआ है, and it's a little bit more in a charcoal grey color. It's a little bit more darker, more like a black-ish grey. अगर आप देख सकते हो, I really liked this one, so I really wanted to pick out whatever other colors that they have. This is again acid washed. And this is literally the same exact thing but in a different color, आप बोल सकते हो. And I don't know if I should keep both of them or should I return this one, because I really like this one. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. I'm not sure if I should keep both of them. Let me know in the comments down below. But ये भी काफी प्यारा है. I think I can use it in different occasions. Very soft, very comfortable. I picked it up in size medium, और आप देख ही सकते हो कैसा फिट कर रहा है. काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है ये. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Again, अच्छा है, but I don't know if I should keep both of them. Next, I picked up this beautiful blue front tie-up top. Again, this will look so good with that white bralette inside and white pant. That's like a perfect beach vacation outfit. Love that. And one thing I love about this front tie-up is you can tie it exactly how it's shown right now, or you can tie it up like an halter neck. That also looks so good. और ये same ना मैंने brown में भी उठाया है and I've kept it. I love it. And I picked this one up in size medium. वो वाला मैंने large में उठाया था. And I think I would say size up a little because you have this back thing that you can cinch up and you have the front thing to cinch up. So if it's feeling or snugging you a little bit too tight, and इसका material भी है ना, ये cotton material है, काफ़ी soft comfortable cotton material है, not stretchable. So I would suggest size up, and I think size large fits me perfectly in this, and this is how medium looks like. I love this color. इसमें I think they have another green color as well. I love this blue color. It's a nice electric blue color. मुझे ये definitely try out करना था. I would give this a 9 out of 10. Next, I want to talk about my favorite product in this haul. Obsessed with this shirt. I love the way it just fits and feels on my body. अगर आप देख सकते हो, it has this is not ribbed material, it's a cotton shirt, but it has a bunch of texture. इसका जो material है काफ़ी different है from the other shirts that are on, and ये definitely एक new launch है. इसमें I think 3 color options available है, and I love this cream color. It looks so chic. And इसका जो sleeve है ये full sleeve है, and it has this long thing going on. It definitely doesn't stop over here. You can clearly see it in the try on part. But the best thing about this is the way it cinches me. It just gives me that perfect snatched look. And even though it's giving that snatched look, it's not accentuating the fat. You know what I mean? It's very flattering on my body. Absolutely love the way it fits, snugs. It has this zipper detailing, तो आपको चाहिए तो आप नीचे ऊपर कर सकते हो. It does work. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Absolutely love this. If you're interested, definitely grab it. And इसमें ना थोड़ा सा black का thread work भी दिया हुआ है, so it's like a cream and black thread work going on. This is how it looks in the back. This is how it looks in the front. Absolutely love this. 10 out of 10. Definitely grab it. इतना अच्छा है. इसमें white and एक blush pink color भी available है. This is the last shirt I have for you guys. It has a very similar vibe to the previous one and has this beautiful cherry red color. Love the color on this. And अगर आप देखोगे ये plain cotton shirt है. इस पे वो texture नहीं है जो previous वाले में था. I really like the texture on that one. It's just so soft. And I feel like it gives me a little bit more room to work with, but I really like this one as well. If you like structured, tailored shirts, then this one is for you. And I think this is so perfect even for office or college going girls. And the sleeves are very similar, long, and it has a little bit more length to it. I feel that looks so much more sexy than a normal shirt that ends over here. Love that. And this is how the back looks like. It's like a plain tailored shirt, but the way it cinches over here, that just makes the whole difference. It does have a zip at the side, so if it's feeling a little bit too tight to wear, you can just use this to open it up a little bit more to wear it properly without ripping it. I really like the fit of that one. It's a little bit more textured. I like it, but I love that one. So I would give it a 9 on 10. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं. ऑल्सो Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale is now live. You can get 50 to 80% off on all top brands. So अगर आपको कुछ भी पसंद आया हो, right now is the perfect time to get the shopping done. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.